Artificial intelligence is changing the world at a pace never seen before. From ChatGPT and Perplexity to Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and countless emerging technologies, AI is becoming part of everyday life, education, and the future workforce. Students today have access to more information than any generation in history, but access to information does not automatically create understanding. As AI becomes more powerful, one question becomes more important than ever. Are students learning how to think with AI or simply letting AI think for them? Technology can provide information. Artificial intelligence can generate answers. But critical thinking, creativity, leadership, judgment, empathy, and purpose still come from people. That is why AT&T's leadership development and AI plus HI literacy workshops help students and families understand artificial intelligence while strengthening the human intelligence skills that technology cannot replace. Unlike a traditional lecture, our workshops are highly interactive. Whether conducted online or in person, students work in teams, participate in guided discussions, brainstorm ideas, explore real-world scenarios, and learn through collaboration under the supervision of experienced facilitators. Students learn what AI is, how it works, where it can be helpful, and where human judgment remains essential. They strengthen communication, critical thinking, problem-solving, teamwork, confidence, leadership, and responsible technology use. Parents gain practical insight into today's AI tools and learn ways to help their children use technology responsibly while encouraging independent thinking and lifelong learning. We believe AI is a powerful tool created through human intelligence, not a replacement for it. AI provides tools. Human intelligence provides purpose. AI assists. HI leads. Together, students and families learn to use technology wisely while developing the human skills that inspire leadership, innovation, and future success. If you would like to register for an upcoming workshop, please visit www.educonsole.com or email acta@educonsole.com.